Hello, Beck, and the reason I'm in a treehouse, holding a really weird gun is because I am, or like, not my friend's house, but like, my friend's game. I like this sky. And, so I'm just trying out his game because he pleaded me to try out the game. That was, yep, I'm dead. So yeah, this is a pretty
weird.
So yeah, this is, yeah, you just finished my sentence. This is like really, really weird. Like, it's just like, whoa.
Crazy?
Yeah, this is crazy. He never told me it was about spaceships. He just told me, I think. Oh well, have fun, spaceship. Yes.
I'm not getting it really in my unicorn.
Okay.
Rotate, my favorite route.
Okay, so, sorry I'm not talking. Oh my god. Sorry I'm not talking. It's just I'm like very focused on the game right now. Ah, yeah, he just shot me with a grenade. Or what is that thing? Ah, they can... He never told me they could bounce. Okay. Nope.
Yay, Bunny. I already know.
My friend is playing the Pokemon game.
That is crazy.
Yay, killed myself again. Whee!
Oh my gosh, you are crazy.
Yeah, there's a big lag in the game. But it's fine. I mean, like, he got a better game than me. Like, guys, whatever you do, don't go to my game. Like,
why?
Like, my game is a disaster. Like, you are not, like, just don't go to my game, okay? Please don't.
I will.
Seriously? Oh my god.
I'm playing Mip City now, but when I finish this, I will.
Okay.
Because I'm trying to be.
No. Yes. No.
What the heck?
I killed myself.
Why you killed yourself?
Oof. 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 So yeah, my friend's playing Mip City. I just got killed. Okay.
Yeah, I got a lot.
Landon, good job on your game.
Why you say his name?
I am actually surprised you are not in my video. I should have you in my videos.
I think it's because you are not at the same server as me.
No, he made, I don't think he's
I want to have an update.
playing.
I want to have an update at Mip City.
What?
I want to have an update at Mip City.
Yeah, what update do you want?
I don't know.
Mip City.
I don't know.
What's the update you really, really wish you had?
Maybe pets that follow you. Not Meeps. Pets.
Oh, pets, nice. But Meeps are kind of like us.
So I said it not Meeps, but pets. Really, I have a really...
Okay, I'm having trouble with the plane here, Landon. So at school, please help me with the plane. Thank you.
Thank you.
God!
He didn't help you and you said thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Because that's what a woman does. No, Jake.
A woman never does that.
Yeah, they do.
Nope.
What is that thing up there? Guys, do you see that? Like, what's that moving object up there? Like, whoa.
I think maybe whatever.
Oh, God.
You already played Royal Hike?
Royal High? Yeah, I like Royal High.
I know, but now there's cakes.
Cake?
Really? I don't know why, but that's weird.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go to school. See you at school. Oh my god, no, that's not it. See you at school. Okay, guys, I got an emergency, so I'm very sorry, but I cannot continue the video. Yes, there are some updates to Royal High, so I hope you play it. Sorry guys, goodbye.